Proposed acquisition reflects broader industry shift toward US-based drone manufacturing and vertically integrated supply chains. Quantum Cyber, NASDAQ, QUCY, has signed a letter of intent, LOI, to acquire a 43,000 square foot manufacturing facility in Bridgeport, Connecticut, as the company continues its push toward domestic drone production and vertically integrated manufacturing. According to the company's June 8th announcement, the proposed transaction includes both the facility and industrial equipment currently owned by Arcade Technology LLC. Quantum Cyber said the total purchase price would be $3.2 million if the acquisition is completed. The company stated that the site would support large-scale production of autonomous drone systems and related defense technologies. The announcement follows several recent company statements outlining a strategy to move beyond technology licensing and into direct manufacturing of autonomous systems. In late May, Quantum Cyber announced plans to establish a US-based defense technology manufacturing complex intended to support production of drones, counter-UAS systems, autonomous ground vehicles, and related technologies. Part of a larger manufacturing trend, while the proposed acquisition is specific to Quantum Cyber, it reflects a broader trend across the U.S. drone industry. Over the past several years, policymakers have increasingly focused on supply chain security and domestic manufacturing capacity for unmanned systems. Concerns about reliance on foreign suppliers, combined with lessons from conflicts in Ukraine and the Middle East, have driven new attention to securing access to drone technology and production capabilities. The trend has accelerated as federal agencies and lawmakers place greater emphasis on trusted supply chains and US-based manufacturing. Many drone companies now highlight domestic assembly, component sourcing, and production capacity as key competitive advantages when pursuing government contracts. Against that backdrop, manufacturing facilities have become strategic assets rather than simply production space. Companies seeking to serve defense and government customers increasingly view control over manufacturing, quality assurance, and supply chains as critical parts of their business model. Vertical integration becomes a strategic priority. Quantum Cyber has repeatedly described its goal of becoming a vertically integrated autonomous defense manufacturer rather than remaining primarily a technology development and licensing company. Recent company announcements indicate it has taken direct responsibility for manufacturing its licensed drone platform and plans to bring more production activities in-house. According to the company, the planned manufacturing operation would eventually include drone assembly, electronics production, CNC machining, 3D printing, and quality assurance capabilities. Earlier announcements described a facility intended to support production of multiple autonomous systems across air, land, and maritime domains. The proposed Bridgeport site appears to represent the first physical facility identified as part of that strategy. The company said the acquisition would support production capacity for autonomous drone systems aimed at federal, defense, homeland security, and commercial markets. Manufacturing capacity remains a key industry question. The announcement comes at a time when policymakers are increasingly discussing how the United States can expand drone manufacturing capacity. Industry advocates have argued that innovation alone is not enough to support long-term competitiveness. Companies must also demonstrate an ability to produce systems at scale, maintain secure supply chains, and deliver products quickly to government and commercial customers. For many drone manufacturers, the challenge is no longer simply designing capable aircraft. It is building the manufacturing infrastructure needed to produce them in meaningful volumes. Whether Quantum Cyber ultimately completes the proposed acquisition and successfully scales production remains to be seen. However, the announcement highlights an issue that extends far beyond a single company. As demand for drones grows, manufacturing capability itself is becoming a strategic differentiator. For the broader drone industry, the significance may be less about one facility in Connecticut and more about what it represents. Increasingly, drone companies are seeking to pair intellectual property and software development with direct control of production, reflecting a growing belief that manufacturing capacity will play a major role in determining which firms can capitalize on the next phase of market growth.